Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pizza in a Blackstone pizza oven. Start by preheating your Blackstone pizza oven to the ideal temperature, which is usually around 700 degrees Fahrenheit. This high heat is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy crust. Make sure the rotating pizza stone is clean and correctly placed to ensure your pizza cooks evenly. While the oven warms up, take this time to prepare your pizza dough and all your delicious toppings. Now for the exciting part, launching your pizza. First, lightly flour your pizza peel. This simple step is super important to prevent your dough from sticking. Carefully transfer your fully topped pizza onto the floured peel. Then, with a quick and smooth motion, slide the pizza from the peel directly onto the hot, rotating stone inside the oven. Don't hesitate. A swift launch is key. As your pizza cooks, keep a close eye on it. It usually takes only about 2 to 3 minutes to achieve that perfect golden brown crust and melted cheese. The rotating stone does a fantastic job of ensuring even cooking, but it's always good to check for consistent browning. If you notice one side cooking a bit faster, you can gently use your peel to give the pizza a slight rotation. When your pizza has a beautiful golden crust and the cheese is perfectly bubbly, it's time to take it out. Carefully use your pizza peel to lift the cooked pizza from the oven. Place it on a cutting board and let it rest for just 1 to 2 minutes. This brief resting period helps the cheese set and makes for easier slicing. Then, slice it up and enjoy your delicious homemade pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.